Hey guys, it's Jordan Collins, and I chose an article on Indeed.com which gave a lot of really good advice for when one is interviewing for a potential career. Now, the first thing I'd like to note that was mentioned in the article was to arrive 15 minutes early to your interview. Now, I feel like this is a very important thing to note when going into an interview because it shows that you're responsible enough to show up early, not just to the interview, but you're motivated enough to get there on time if you were potentially hired for the job. Now, this also goes along with making a good impression, which was another note that was mentioned in the article. First impressions are crucial during an interview because this is what interviewers base a lot of their decisions off of. Also, it mentioned to practice good manners and body language. I'm one to believe that manners go a long way, especially in a career setting. It also mentioned to never speak negatively about previous employers. Now, this kind of goes back on common sense because if an employer sees that you are talking negatively about a previous employer, they may think that you will also possibly do that with them, with another potential employer if you were to leave this job. Also, it mentioned to ask about next steps right after your interview. I feel like this is really important because it shows that you're motivated, you're ready to tackle the job, you're ready for the next step, and this looks really good to interviewers. It also mentioned, lastly, that after an interview, it looks good to send a personalized thank you letter to the interviewer. I could see how this could come off as being very polite and a good thing to do after an interview because not only does it show kindness, but it also shows your name more to the interviewer. And when they see your name more, it's going to become more familiarized to them, and your name will stick out more out of all the other names that they have in their resumes that they've received from other people. There were also a lot of other good pieces of advice, but these were mainly these were the ones that mostly stuck out to me as being really important to know during an interview. So I hope y'all got some good information out of this for when you potentially interview as an employee. So thank you for watching and have a good day.